Hello, and welcome back to our channel, the podcast where English meets real life, and sometimes real life meets the office pantry.
Exactly. The land of coffee mugs, awkward smiles, and Wi-Fi that never works when the boss is around.
Oh, that's every office ever. Today we're talking about something everyone faces but no one teaches: small talk at work.
Yes, those tiny but powerful conversations that happen between "good morning" and "let's go for lunch."
Small talk may sound small, but it's a big deal. It helps you connect, sound confident, and build better work relationships, all in English.
And if you're thinking, "Oof, I don't know what to say when my colleague asks, 'How's it going?' Don't worry, we've got you covered.
By the end of this episode, you'll be able to chat, joke, and sound totally natural in English at work, even with that one scary HR person who smiles too much.
Perfect. So let's start from the beginning. Day 1 at a new job.
You walk into the office. Everyone's busy typing, pretending to look serious. You say your first good morning, and no one replies. What do you do?
Simple. You pretend you just said it to yourself. Then you whisper, "Good morning, me. Let's survive today."
That's too real. But seriously, small talk starts with greetings. Even if people don't respond, keep being polite. You can say, "Hey, good morning. How's your day starting?" Or simply, "Morning. You had your coffee yet?"
Always works. No one can resist talking about coffee.
Exactly, and it opens up natural conversation.
Like if someone says, "Yeah, just grabbed a cup," you can reply, "I can't start my day without one. I'm basically 90% caffeine."
That's true for you. But yes, humor helps. It breaks the ice and shows you're friendly.
Let's imagine a conversation on a Monday morning.
"Hey, Harry, how was your weekend?"
Too short to remember. How was yours?
Classic. You can also say, "Pretty relaxing," or "busy but fun." The key is keep it short and positive.
And whatever you do, never say, "It was boring, I hate my life." That's too much honesty for Monday.
Agreed. The golden rule of small talk: stay light, stay polite.
All right, let's move to the most dangerous zone, the office pantry.
Ah, yes, the place where careers and calories both grow.
You're pouring tea, and someone joins you. You want to sound friendly, not awkward. What do you say?
You could start with tea or coffee person.
That's a good one. And if they say coffee, you can reply, "Good choice. Tea drinkers are too calm for Mondays."
That's how conversations begin. Add a little humor and boom, you're memorable.
You can also talk about weather. "I know it sounds boring, but it works. It's so hot today." Or, "The weather's finally nice." Classic icebreakers.
But make it fun. Instead of saying "it's raining," say "looks like Mumbai just opened the sky's water tank again."
Haha, that's a good one. People remember the ones who make them smile.
And small talk isn't just about what you say, it's about how you say it. Smile, make eye contact, and use a warm tone.
Exactly. Even saying "good morning" with energy can change how people respond.
Now, here's something learners often ask. What if someone speaks too fast or uses difficult English at work?
Great question. You can politely ask them to repeat. Don't say, "What? That sounds rude."
You can say, "Sorry, could you say that again, please?" Or, "I didn't catch that. Can you repeat it?" Both sound polite and professional.
And if they use a word you don't know, you can ask, "Sorry, what does that mean?" Simple. No need to feel shy.
Exactly. People appreciate honesty and curiosity.
Now, let's talk about the boss.
Oh boy, everyone's favorite topic.
You meet your boss in the lift. It's just you two. The silence is killing you. What do you say?
Nice weather today is always safe. Or, morning, how's your day so far?
If you're brave, you can say, "Sir, the coffee machine's working better than the Wi-Fi today." That's a guaranteed laugh.
Unless he's the one who approved the Wi-Fi budget. Then you say, I meant.
Metaphorically.
Haha, but yes, talk about light, neutral topics, weather, traffic, or even sports. Just avoid anything too personal or controversial.
So, not sir, who are you voting for? Or, ma'am, how much do you earn?
Definitely not. That's not small talk, that's unemployment.
You're right. Keep it simple, safe, and positive.
Let's now talk about office humor, one of the best small talk tools.
Yes, humor can build instant connections, but you have to use it wisely.
Exactly. Avoid making jokes about people. Instead, joke about yourself or relatable things, traffic, work stress, or coffee addiction.
Like, I just looked at my to-do list and pretended it didn't exist.
Or, I'm not lazy, I'm on energy-saving mode.
That one's a classic.
You can even use humor to show friendliness after a mistake. If you spill coffee, say, "Oops, I call this my productivity spill."
Haha, yes, a small joke makes others comfortable too.
Now, let's talk about meetings, the sacred ritual of pretending to take notes.
That's my talent. I even nod wisely when I have no clue what's going on.
But meetings are also a great place for small talk. Before it starts, you can say, "Busy day, huh?" Or, "Long meeting ahead, we'll need snacks."
Those little comments lighten the mood.
Exactly. After the meeting, you can say, "That was productive," or "Learned something new today."
Even if you didn't.
Yes, it's about sounding engaged, not bored.
You know, sometimes people don't realize how powerful these small moments are. One smile, one quick chat, it builds trust.
Yes, and trust makes work smoother. You become approachable, likable, and easier to collaborate with.
Let's do a quick role play. Lunchtime at the office canteen.
Hey Harry, what are you having today?
Same old. My Daba has a PhD in repetition. Roti sabzi.
At least it's healthy. Mine's paneer today, but I'm trading it for dessert.
See, that's a fun, friendly chat. You're not discussing work, you're just being human.
Right. You can talk about food, movies, or weekend plans.
For example, have you watched anything good lately? What's your favorite lunch spot near the office?
Perfect. Just remember to keep it balanced, not too personal.
Yes. Avoid questions like, "Why are you still single?" or "How much rent do you pay?"
Oh God, yes. Office gossip is a trap. Once you fall, there's no escape.
Haha, the gossip gulag. But seriously, keep conversations positive. Never talk negatively about colleagues or the company.
That's professional maturity. You can joke about your own work stress, but never about others.
Exactly. You can say, "I think my to-do list is longer than my life goals." Funny, harmless, and relatable.
I love that. Another trick, use active listening. That means showing interest when others speak.
Right. Simple words like, "Really, that's interesting," or "No way," make the other person feel heard.
Even nodding helps. It's like saying, "I'm listening" without speaking.
I once nodded so much during a meeting that my boss thought I was agreeing to extra work.
That's what happens when active listening becomes overactive agreeing.
Let's talk about English mistakes people make during small talk.
Good idea. One big mistake is being too formal. For example, saying, "Greetings of the day." No one talks like that.
Yes, just say, "Hey," or "Good morning." Keep it real.
Another mistake, giving one-word answers. If someone says, "How are you?" and you reply, "Fine," that's the end of conversation.
Instead, say, "I'm good. Just busy with work. What about you?"
That opens the door for dialogue.
Exactly. Small talk is about keeping the ball rolling.
Also, avoid complaining too much. It's okay to joke, but don't turn it into a negative rant.
Yes, the Wi-Fi slow is fine, but this office is a disaster. I hate my life.
That's drama, not conversation.
Unless you want HR to schedule a therapy session.
Another tip, talk about common interests. If you know your colleague loves cricket, start with that.
Did you catch last night's match? Or Kohli was on fire yesterday?
That instantly builds connection. Shared topics are your best friend.
And if you don't know what someone likes, observe. What are they reading? What's on their desk? You can start from there.
Yes, that's a cool coffee mug, or I like that wallpaper on your laptop. Compliments are always welcome.
Unless it's weird, like nice keyboard sound.
Yeah, avoid creepy compliments. Keep it simple and genuine.
Let's imagine end-of-day small talk.
Heading home?
Yeah, finally. My brain's done for the day.
Same. See you tomorrow.
Those short, friendly interactions make work feel lighter.
Exactly. People remember how you make them feel, not what you said.
That's deep. You've been hanging around motivational speakers, haven't you?
Maybe a few reels, yes, but it's true. Good communication is good energy.
Speaking of energy, let's give our listeners a few power lines they can use anywhere at work.
Here we go. Hey, how's everything going? Busy day, huh? That presentation was great. Need help with that? Let's grab a coffee sometime.
Perfect. Use these lines and you'll sound fluent and friendly in no time.
You know, small talk isn't about language, it's about connection. English just helps you do it better.
Well said. So, listeners, here's your English Fekna challenge for today. Tomorrow at work, start one small conversation in English.
It could be about the weather, lunch, or a funny incident. Keep it light and confident.
And remember, don't overthink. Small talk is supposed to be short and spontaneous.
Right. It's not an exam, it's just being friendly in English.
Before we wrap up, quick recap. We learned how to greet, start a chat, talk in meetings, use humor, listen actively, and stay positive.
Exactly, and most importantly, how to sound like a confident, cheerful colleague, not a nervous robot.
Unless your company hires robots, in which case, good luck.
So if you enjoyed this podcast, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to English Fekna Seekho.
And hit the bell icon so you never miss our fun weekly episodes.
We drop new podcasts every week, packed with real English, real laughter, and a dash of Desi office drama.
Until next time, keep smiling, keep chatting, and
keep practicing.
Bye, everyone. Go make small talk and big connections.
And remember, if nothing works, talk about chai. That's the ultimate icebreaker.
Always. See you next time.
Ta-ta, colleagues.
Bye-bye.